Hello everyone, EM Fresh here, and today is a short clip of our trip to Clearwater Beach, me and my wife. All right, and we're headed down 79, now we're on 60. And now here's a little scene from Pier 60. There's a lot of people out on the white sandy beach, even though at the time there was a lot of red tide out there, believe it or not. There's a lot of dead fish in the water, but it's still beautiful. And here are some pictures of my beautiful wife and one of me, all fat and chubby from eating breakfast every day. I normally never ever eat breakfast, just coffee in the morning, but today, or the whole trip, I am eating every day. Like probably gained like 10 pounds. All right, so now we are at Indian Rocks Beach at the Salt Rock Grill, a pretty high-end restaurant in the area. The food was delicious. You can see calamari, steak, salmon. You can see my big old gut sticking out. And then afterwards we took a stroll on the beach. Down here it's a lot more quieter, but not very commercial. And then we decided to take a trip on a little cruise around the Gulf. It was pretty fun. They had dancing and whatnot on it. Basically just a tour of the area, making you wish you had a house down here and that you could stay there forever. But it's pretty nice time. As you can see, I got my lei. Jerry has her lei. And there's my gorgeous wife again, me getting a kiss. As the night dims, there's a night shot of the bay there as we pull in shore. Great night out. Okay, and then the next day we are headed to Sand Beach because it's too crowded at Pier 60. There's so many people out. So we got some advice from some vacations in the area to go to Sand Beach where there's not that many people. There's me pulling all the stuff, tents and whatever. We got blankets and coolers out to the beach. There's a time-lapse Nigerian trying to build the campsite or little beach site. Alright, she couldn't get it, so I had to jump in there and help her. Rest to say today. And finally we are in the water, floating around. It's nice and hot. The red tide is there. I was actually sneezing a lot. And then there's a few dead pufferfish in there. But it was still, for the most part, pretty clean. We didn't see any like dead sharks or anything. But other than that, we had a great time. And that is it. And talk to you later.